Here are the top 5 New Year's fireworks shows in the world. Number 5, we have San Francisco, which offers a beautiful view of the fireworks from the Golden Gate Bridge. At number 4, we have Sydney, Australia, where locals and guests gather to celebrate and watch the amazing fireworks show that illuminates the majestic Opera House. At number 3, we have Hong Kong, which features amazing animation followed by a gigantic clock that's counting down the new year. At number 2, we have London, with some of the best views of the fireworks and the city, all while enjoying some fine dining. And at number 1, we have Dubai, which offers a luxurious view of the fireworks above their skyline, which has the most beautiful and highest skyscrapers in the world.